Good morning, everyone. I am in the back warehouse at QVC where they have turned the entire set into holiday. So hopefully the reception will be good back here. But in the kitchen with David today is all food, so I will not be there. But I am so excited that we still are able to be together this morning. I am in the 9 to 11 o'clock show, so just getting ready. Going to give you a couple little sneak peeks. Have you guys been over to QVC.com to see all the new items that they have already priced? Good morning, Aubrey. We are not in the kitchen with Daviding today. Is that even an expression? Well, we'll make it an expression. But we are sharing some of our holiday items with all of you, our limited edition items. Good morning, Tina. Good morning, Nicole. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Molly. I would have missed our Sunday check-in if we didn't have this opportunity. So coming to you a little earlier this morning. Actually, what time is it? It is 9:15, so we are going to be on at 10 a.m. So you will see us then, but I wanted to show you really quick. Look what we have for you. We have our limited edition 16-inch character platters. So of course we have your gingerbread. Yes, it's going to come in your storage box / gift box. Hello, Denise. Hi, Dia. Good morning, Michelle. How is everybody today? Happy Sunday. Good morning, Tara. Loving everything. Oh, I'm so glad. Then look at this nutcracker. I love the nutcracker. I have to tell you, from all of the painting to all of the beautiful accents to the sculptural detail, notice that these create little wells for you to put some of the food in. It's actually the perfect decorative piece. It's the perfect serving piece. It's just fantastic. Hi, Deborah. Hi, Chris. Mary Miller in the house. Hey, Linda. Hey, Kelly. Looking forward to seeing a lot of you on Wednesday for our live studio audience. And then, of course, we have our adorable little snowman. He's so stinking cute. You know, I include the cardinal as a tribute to my dad. So we will never do this piece again. This is part of our limited edition hour. Just quick reminder, if you spend $100 on Temp-tations on your Q card till the end of today, we'll send you that great cookbook as a thank you. So look at some of the things that we did. From our adorable goat cheese balls, which are amazing. Did you guys check out our Whimsy clock? If you haven't seen it yet, also part of our limited edition, go check it out on QVC.com. To say it is flying out of here is an understatement. Not sure if you saw on Friday evening, we debuted our gingerbread house, cookie jar, and we also had that gorgeous church. Can we talk about the snowman cupcakes that we made? I can't wait to eat one of those. And look at how the Rat King, our stylists are so talented and so incredible. I can't stand it. So anyway, there are lots of new items that have been priced over on QVC.com, including microfiber towels, sets of 4. We did them in harvest with cute little themes. We did them in Christmas with cute little themes. So you will absolutely love them. So you're going to want to check them out. They're not only decorative, but they're microfiber. So that's super lush, super plush microfiber towels. And they have things like "It's fall, y'all," and really, really cute sayings. So check those out, and lots of new. Okay. Kelly, good morning. How are you? Buffetti, salt and pepper. Love the snowman. We'll continue. Love good morning, Tara. Love your seasonal dinner. Good. Got the clock. I'm so glad. We've never done anything like it. It's a part of our limited edition collection. So just wanted to keep you guys posted on all of that. And happy Sunday. Loving the clock. Thank you. We also did a metallic one in silver and gold. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. Hello, Karen. Hello, Margie. Hi, everyone. Kay Fawn in the house. Good morning. Good morning. And good morning to the over 350 of you who have jumped on to say hello. We are just sharing all things Temp-tations and a lot of limited edition pieces today. Please join me at 10 p.m. Eastern, so in just about 45 minutes, and we'll take a peek at that platter. And then this evening, I will be on with Sandra from 6 to 9. I think we're just on around 8 p.m. with our limited edition teapot that's in the shape of a Christmas tree. And what else do we have? We have something else. What is it? I'm getting so excited that now I can't remember all the things. Well, you're going to have to definitely tune in and check it out. That's for sure. Okay. Good morning, Linda. Do a fall clock. That's a great idea. Hey there, Megan Flanagan. How are you? All right. Connection Low network connection. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye. I will hopefully see you guys at 10 a.m. Eastern for a look at the platter, and then I will see you this evening with Sandra, where we're sharing more of our limited edition pieces. Okay, bye.